discussing about what are the subsets of set of real numbers. Okay, what are the subset of real numbers? Real numbers means what? Actually, inside the real numbers there are what? Natural number is there, then integers are there, rational numbers are there, and irrational numbers are there. Okay, so these are main subsets of. First we are discussing about what? Subset of real numbers. First one is what? Natural number. What are natural numbers? Natural number is denoted by capital N, and then rational numbers are what? 1, 2, 3, etc. So on. Okay. Next what? The set of integers. Set of integers are denoted by set. Set equal to integers. We know that in integers what? Positive integers are there and negative integers are there. What are positive integers? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. What are negative integers? -1, -2, -3, etc. These are integers denoted by set. We are telling about what? Subsets of set of real numbers. Okay. But first one is natural number denoted by capital N, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. In integers, second one is integers denoted by capital set. Here positive and negative integers are there. Next one is what? Set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers, that is denoted by Q. That is denoted by Q. Q is equal to what? X such that X is equal to P by Q. Actually, rational numbers are always in the form of P by Q, where P, Q belongs to integers. P and Q belongs to integers, and Q not equal to 0. That means denominator not become 0. Okay. That means what? Rational numbers condition is what? X such that X is equal to P by Q. P and Q not belongs to integers and Q not equal to 0. Okay. This is the condition. Okay. Next one is what? Irrational numbers. That is denoted by what? Capital T. Your condition is what? X such that X is belongs to real numbers, or it belongs to real numbers, and what? X naught belongs to Q, rational number. Rational number means what? From the rational, you know what? It is not a rational number. So it not belongs to Q, and that is belongs to real numbers. Okay. These are the 4 subsets of real number. First one is natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Second one is integers, that is denoted by capital set. In that negative numbers are the 0 is the and positive numbers are the. Then in rational numbers, what condition is what? It's in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are belongs to set integers and Q not equal to 0. The next one is what? Irrational numbers. What is irrational number? X belongs to real number, but X is not belongs to rational number. Rational number means what? P by Q form. What is P by Q form? 1 by 2, 5 by 1, 3 by 2. These are rational numbers. Condition is what? Q not equal to 0. Real number. In the irrational case of irrational number, what? X belongs to R, real number, and X not belongs to Q. What is Q? Irrational number. Rational number means what? It is a P by Q form. 1 by 2, 5 by 1, etc. P by Q form means what? It includes what? You have 5 by 1. It's P by Q form. But it is what? 5 by 1 is what? Equal to 5. And is also integer and a natural number. That means not belongs to Q means what? Irrational numbers not having natural number is the, integer is the, rational number is the. Okay. The 3 is not belongs to, 3 sets are not belongs to irrational number. Only what? The values, only the real numbers not belongs to N, Z and Q. Oh, what is the rational number? Root 3, root 2, 5, value of 5. That are rational, irrational numbers. Okay, now we are discussing about what? Intervals as subsets of R. there are 4 types of intervals are the subsets of R. Inside the real numbers, there are 4 types of intervals are there. First, we are discussing about what open intervals of A and B. Okay. Open interval means what? In this interval, A and B are not included. Between A and B are included. Okay. That means if you draw a number line like this, if A and B are the numbers, okay, here open interval AB means what? A and B are not included in this set, in this interval. Only between A and B, these numbers are included in this interval. Okay. So we can write open interval as what? In the curved brackets, we write like this: A comma B. Here A and B are not included. Between A and B, which numbers are there that are included in this interval? Okay. This is the open interval. We can write this one in set builder form. How to write this one? Open interval of A and B, X, such that X belongs to what? This is case of real numbers, na? X belongs to real numbers, comma, where A less than X less than B. That means what? Your A and B are not included. Between A and B, which numbers are there that are X? Okay. This is the open interval. Second one is what? Closed interval of A and B. What is closed interval? Open interval means what? In that A and B are not included. Closed interval means what? In this interval, A and B are included. Okay. So, if you draw a number line like this, with A and B are two numbers, here what? Closed interval, in this closed interval, A and B are included. That means like this. All numbers of between A and B are included. Okay, A is included, B is included. Both the A and B are included in this set. Okay, in this interval. How to write this one? In the square bracket, you have to write like this. Here, A is included, B is included. Okay, between A and B, which numbers are there that are also included. Okay, so we can write set builder form. In set builder form, we write X such that X belongs to real numbers, comma. What is the condition here? A and B are included in this set. Okay, so we can write A less than equal to X less than equal to B. Here what? A less than equal to means what? A is the then A greater than A. B is the less than B. Okay, so between A and B, which numbers are there that are closed interval? In the closed interval, A and B are included. Okay. Okay. Third interval is what? Open, closed open interval A comma B. Closed open interval. Here I already drawn the number line like this. A and B are two numbers. Here A is closed and B is open. Closed means what? A is included in this interval and B is not included. Okay. Here closed one is A and open one is B. Closed means what? A is included in this interval. Open means what? B is not included in this interval. Like this one. Okay. Between A and B numbers are there, but here A is included, B is not included. How to write this one? For closed, which bracket is the square bracket? A comma then B. Next B is what? Open interval. Open interval is represented by circular brackets. No? Okay. So this is the representation of closed open interval of A and B. Okay. Then I will write it in set builder form. This one, X such that X belongs to real number, comma, here A is closed. So closed means what? A less than or equal to X. Here A is included. Oh, so A is less than or equal to X and what? Less than B is open, less than B. This is the set builder form for closed open interval of A and B. Okay. So for example, -3 -1 like this. Here -3 is closed interval, -1 is open interval. How to draw a number line for this one? -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Here -3 is closed. Closed means what? -3 is included in this one and -1 is open for between this one. Now, so here -3 is included, -2 is there, -1 is not included. These two are between. satisfies this condition. Okay, that means what here minus 3 is closed and minus 1 is open. Okay, fourth one is what? Open closed interval. Open closed interval of A and B. What is open closed? Here what? A is open, B is closed. Open means what? Here A is not included and B is included, closed. Okay, this one is what? Open closed intervals of A and B. How to represent this one? This is A is open. Now A is open means what? Circular braces, and B is closed. Closed one is square brackets. Okay, this is the representation of what? Open closed intervals of A B, like this. First one is open, second one is closed, square brackets. Okay, and how to write this one in set builder form? X such that X belongs to real numbers. Okay, then A is here open, so A less than X. No need to write, put equal sign. Okay, A less than X. A is open here and B is closed, so we can write less than or equal to B. This is the condition. This is the set builder form for open closed interval of A and B. Okay, for example I will show you. In previous example, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Here, like this. Here, minus 3 is open, like this. And minus 1 is closed. Okay, so here what? Minus 3 is not included in this. From this, when we look this one, you know that the minus 3 is not included this. So this one, right, minus 2 is the, here what? Minus 1 is included, closed one. So these two are the sets, numbers satisfying this condition, interval. Okay, so today we discussed about what are the subsets of set of real numbers, what are natural number, rational number and integers, and then what intervals of subset of real number. Okay, what are the intervals? Closed interval is the, open interval is the, open closed interval is the, closed open interval is the. So these are easy topics for you to study. Okay, so today I hope you understood this session. Thank you all for watching this one. Okay, ഇന്നത്തെ സെഷനിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ട്സ് ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ ലിങ്ക് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ ലിങ്ക് ഒന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ മതി, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ട്സ് ലഭിക്കും. പിന്നെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സ് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിനെ കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡൗട്ട്സോ സജഷൻസോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എഴുതാവുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.